Hold on to your virtual shopping carts, folks, because we're about to take a joyride into the future of e-commerce. With the lightning-fast pace of technological advancements and societal shifts, the world of online shopping is about to undergo some serious facelifts. But fear not, my fellow e-commerce enthusiasts, for I have a sneak peek of 9 exciting trends that will bound to leave you absolutely floored. So strap on your seatbelts and get ready for a ride that will make the Millennium Falcon look like a kiddie carousel. We're about to go full throttle into the future of e-commerce. First up is augmented reality. Are you tired of trying to visualize how a product will fit into your life before making a purchase? Well, fear not, because the future of e-commerce is here, and it's bringing augmented reality along for the ride. Imagine being able to see how a new sofa will look in your living room before even hitting the buy button. With AR, you can do just that. This revolutionary technology will allow you to see products overlaid on your surroundings, giving you a realistic sense of what you're buying. And the best part? You can access this technology on your trusty smartphone, smart glasses, or even other handheld and wearable devices. And here's a fun fact. AR is expected to be even more widely used than virtual reality. While the VR market is projected to be worth $67 billion by 2028, the AR global market is estimated to be worth a whopping $340 billion in the same year. That's 5 times larger than the VR market. It's no wonder that Shopify AR is already using this tool to help customers make informed decisions and ensure that the product is fit for the intended purpose. So get ready to say hello to a more realistic sense of what you're buying and say goodbye to buyer's remorse. Whether you're using a smartphone, smart glasses, or other handheld and wearable devices, AR is here to give you the ultimate shopping experience. 2. Get ready for a future where having an AI assistant like Jarvis from Iron Man is not just a fantasy, but a reality. Soon, most people living in developed countries will be able to enjoy the perks of having an AI assistant to help improve their lives. Services like Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomePod are only just the beginning. These assistants will expand their functionality beyond just the home, becoming your personal cognitive prosthetic 24/7. Not only will they be able to monitor your conversations, read your emails, and analyze your blood chemistry to track your health, they'll also be able to learn your preferences and help you problem solve to achieve your goals. And if that isn't enough to get you excited, brace yourself for the mid-2030s, because we're talking about connecting our brains to computers. That's right, with brain-computer interfaces, we'll be able to control our AI assistants using our thoughts, making it possible to interact with technology like never before. No screens, no words, just pure mind power. So hold on tight, because the future is going to be mind-blowing. Number 3, in the quest to cater to younger consumers, businesses are diversifying their payment options. This includes cryptocurrency, which may become more appealing as its volatile prices stabilize over the next decade. Cryptocurrency is the latest buzzword, and it's here to stay. Not only does it give your customers more options to pay, but it also has the potential to become more stable over the next few years. That's right, no more roller coaster rides with cryptocurrency prices. Don't just take our word for it. Even the big players like Amazon and PayPal are starting to take notice. Soon, they might even jump on board and start accepting cryptocurrencies as payment. And let's not forget about the security factor. Most cryptocurrencies use blockchain technology to record transactions, creating a transparent and tamper-proof database that's tough to manipulate, which is music to our ears. According to Grandview Research, the global blockchain technology market is expected to grow from $6 billion in 2021 to a whopping $395 billion in 2028. That means we'll see more and more industries familiarizing themselves with blockchain and cryptocurrencies. So whether you're a small business owner or a bigwig in a corporation, it's time to embrace the future of payments. Get ready to hop onto the crypto train because it's about to take off. Number 4, autonomous delivery drones. Get ready to say goodbye to the days of waiting weeks for your online purchases to arrive. The future of e-commerce is about to be taken to new heights, thanks to the revolutionary technology of autonomous delivery drones. These futuristic flying machines are about to change the game, and with good reason. Say goodbye to costly shipping fees, pesky delivery drivers, and all the hassle that comes with traditional shipping methods. Autonomous delivery drones are quick, efficient, and eco-friendly. They can fly packages straight to your doorstep at lightning speeds, all while limiting less CO2 and reducing accidents and human error. Leading the way in this exciting new field is Amazon Prime Air, who are already in the final stages of testing their delivery centers across the globe. And with their drones capable of delivering packages up to 5 pounds in under 30 minutes, the sky really is the limit. Meanwhile, UPS Flight Forward is already partnering with CVS to deliver prescription medicines to seniors via drone, providing fast and efficient services to those who need it most. Just imagine the thrill of seeing a drone gently descend onto your doorstep with your long-awaited package. It's like having your own personal delivery robot without any need for human intervention. And with the potential for even more advanced drone technology on the horizon, there's no telling where this technology could take us. 5. Virtual reality isn't just a sci-fi concept anymore. It's now a game-changing technology that's paving the way for a more immersive and exciting future. Picture this. You're shopping online for a new pair of shoes, but instead of just scrolling through an endless page of options, you can actually step into a virtual store and browse the latest styles in 3D. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. With VR, you can explore entire worlds and environments without even leaving the comfort of your home. From attending virtual concerts and festivals to traveling to distant lands, the possibilities are truly endless. But wait, there's more. Education is also set to benefit from this new tech, with students being able to learn in an interactive and engaging way. And let's not forget about social media and gaming, where the boundaries between virtual and reality are blurred like never before. So whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who loves to experience new things, get ready to strap on your VR headset and dive into a whole new world of adventure and excitement. 6. Gone are the days of fumbling through multiple tabs to purchase that cute top you saw on Instagram or that snazzy gadget you spotted on Facebook. Social media giants like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest have heard our cries for a smoother shopping experience and have answered with a resounding challenge accepted. Thanks to Facebook Shops, Instagram shoppable posts, and Pinterest buyable pins, we can now shop for our favorite products without the hassle of jumping to an external website. It's like having a virtual mall right at our fingertips. How cool is that? And the benefits don't stop there. Businesses can now rejoice as well, as over 50% of social media users turn to these platforms to research potential purchases. Say goodbye to abandoned carts and hello to higher conversion rates. So get ready to take your shopping game to the next level with social media shopping. No more complicated checkouts or frustrating navigations, just an effortless buying experience. Who said social media was just good for scrolling and double tapping? Now it's time to tap and shop. 7. By 2030, 90% of the world will be online. The internet has revolutionized the way we live, work, and connect with each other. It's no longer just a tool for the privileged few. It's a way of life for billions of people around the world. And the future is looking even brighter. With over 4.8 billion people online already, it's no surprise that experts predict that by 2030, a whopping 7.5 billion people will be surfing the web. That's right, folks, nearly 90% of the projected world population of 8.5 billion people will be online. We're talking about a digital revolution of epic proportions, fueled by emerging markets like India, China, Brazil, Russia, and South Africa. These countries are on the cusp of a massive technological boom that will add an extra 2.7 billion potential customers to the internet. Can you even fathom the possibilities? It's like the whole world is going to be connected like never before, and it's going to be amazing. For businesses, this means unprecedented opportunities to reach new audiences and tap into new markets. E-commerce companies in particular are poised to reap the rewards of the global connectivity. So buckle up, because the future of e-commerce is looking brighter than ever. Get ready to connect with customers from all corners of the world and watch your profits soar with the internet as your playground. The possibilities are endless. Who knows? Maybe we'll even see the day when our online purchases are delivered by drones or robots. Hey, a man can dream, can't he? 8. The billion-dollar voice commerce boom. In just a few short years, the US voice commerce industry is set to hit a jaw-dropping $40 billion. That's enough to buy a lot of tacos. But you might be surprised to learn that smart speakers aren't the only players in this game. Nope, virtual assistants on our trusty mobile devices are actually responsible for most of the voice interactions. It's like having your very own personal assistant in your pocket. And let's not forget about the rising popularity of voice search when it comes to online shopping. Asking Siri or Alexa for product recommendations is becoming the norm, and it's even influencing how search engines like Google and Bing rank websites. So if you want to make sure your e-commerce site stays ahead of the curve, you better start brushing up on your vocal cords. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll be shouting buy now instead of clicking a button. 9. Say goodbye to boring product descriptions. It is now the rise of product videos in e-commerce. Are you tired of reading never-ending product descriptions while online shopping? Well, a new trend is here to revolutionize the e-commerce game. According to social media today, a whopping 60% of shoppers prefer watching videos over reading lengthy text descriptions. And why wouldn't they? With videos, customers can see the products in action, get a better sense of their features and benefits, and even imagine themselves using the product. Not to mention, studies have shown that branded videos on social media increase the likelihood of purchases by a staggering 64%. That's right, videos are the future of online shopping. Product videos are not only helpful for customers, but they are also perfect for showcasing product demonstrations and collaborating with online influencers. Amazon is already on board with this strategy, using video formats for their product descriptions. And with the rise of social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, influencers have become the go-to source for product recommendations. So expect to see more and more product videos flooding your feeds in the near future. Gone are the days of tedious product descriptions. Say hello to the future of shopping with engaging and exciting product videos. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And if you want to learn more about the latest e-commerce trends, be sure to check out the video on the right about the future of augmented reality. Trust me, it's worth the watch. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed our exploration of the future of e-commerce. Which of these trends are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest e-commerce trends, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.